The Apple Watch Ultra 2 might be in the works, offering updates to the first Apple Watch Ultra, which debuted in 2022. We're excited to see how the second-generation device improves now that the firm provides a smartwatch designed for runners and outdoor sports aficionados. The Apple Watch Ultra, as an option to the Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch SE 2022, boasts the most premium features of any Apple smartwatch. The Apple Watch Ultra is a strong gadget due to its huge screen, doubled battery life, additional action button, and built-in siren. We discovered that, depending on your demands, it can even replace an iPhone. While there haven't been many speculations regarding the Apple Watch Series 9, early guesses about the Apple Watch Ultra 2 are starting to emerge. From a likely release date and price to new features and enhancements that we believe will make it one of the greatest smartwatches ever, here's what to anticipate from the next Ultra-branded smartwatch. The Apple Watch Ultra, along with the Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch SE 2022, launched in 2022. According to reports, the Apple Watch Ultra would be upgraded in 2024 rather than annually. Based on a 2024 debut date, the Apple Watch Ultra would follow the same update cycle as the more affordable Apple Watch SE. As previously stated, the first-generation Apple Watch SE was released in 2020, with the second-generation version following in 2022. However, according to Mark Gurman, Apple intends to unveil the Apple Watch Ultra 2 with the iPhone 15 lineup in the autumn of 2023. Gurman predicts in his power-up email that the Apple Watch Ultra 2, codenamed N210, would be unveiled during Apple's September event this year. That suggests we won't have to wait long to see Apple's second-generation rugged wearable. A second analyst, the dependable Ming-Chi Kuo, said in a July report that the Apple Watch 2 will be available this autumn. One of the most significant distinctions between the Apple Watch 8 and the Apple Watch Ultra is the price. The Apple Watch Ultra has a fixed price of $799 and presently just one LTE-capable option. That's twice the starting price of the Apple Watch Series 8 and the same as the base iPhone 14. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that been said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.